Good day everyone, Chef Ben again and welcome to our channel. Today I will be making a chicken stew that is thickened with rice. Yes, you get it right, thickened with rice. Well, actually, this is a cultural dish of Old West way back during the times of cowboys and Indians in the United States. Yes. And today, I just make a little twist in preparing it so as we can prepare it more healthy and quite easy. Traditionally, this kind of dish is made from chicken, whose main ingredients are vegetable, that is in abundance way back, with onions, a lot of tomatoes, peppers, and okra. Today I make a stew, but feel free to change it to braise, like braised chicken breast, braised chicken leg, braised pork, or let's say braised pork tenderloin, and braised seafood. You can also make it a soup. Just cut it into small pieces and add a little bit more of the sauce of the liquid so that you can make it into a soup. By the way, for first timers, please don't forget to subscribe. And also, kindly click the bell down there so that you'll be notified in the next uploading of my video. Guys, our ingredients for chicken gumbo. Chicken gumbo is a kind of stew that is thickened by rice. Our ingredients, of course, a half kilo of chicken cut into pieces because we'll be making a stew. Okay? And then we also have chicken stock, 2 cups of chicken stock. So, got it? And then we also have fresh tomato sauce, tomato kong kasi. Tomato kong kasi is fresh tomato sauce. Okay? And then, to season our chicken, half teaspoon of pepper with, of course, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay? So we'll just have to mix the salt and pepper together. And then we also have rice, 1/4 cup of rice. And then for our vegetables, we have green bell peppers, onions, red bell peppers, and of course okra or lady fingers, already blanched. So combine the salt and pepper and then mix it well, and then we will use it to season our chicken pieces. And make sure to season both sides of the chicken. You have to turn it on the other side so to season it very well. Okay? Now there goes. We turn it so that we can season the other side of the chicken. Okay? So I hope you can follow, guys. There you are. Okay. Now. Okay. So we'll just continue. And then of course we will preheat the pan. And then add oil. And then we will brown the chicken just to sear the sides. Make sure that the chicken is well browned. And we have to turn it also on the other side so that it's really well browned or seared, because brownness is very important in stewing. You have to brown it to sear the sides to trap all the nutrients of the chicken intact with the chicken. Okay, and also to add color to our stew as it cooks. color and flavor. That's what we get by browning. Okay, so we'll just really brown it properly. Okay, turn it on the other side and make sure it's really browned. And then afterwards, we'll just have to take it out and just set it aside. Okay, so and make sure that the pan is really also very hot. Browning is very important in stewing or braising, because if your food item is properly browned, if the meat is properly browned, you add flavor and color. And also, when it's already done, all the meat is still intact. It has a good shape. Okay, so make sure that it's really well browned on all sides. It is already brown, so we'll just have to take it out and place it in a container, and then we'll just set it aside. We'll just use it later on. Okay? The same pan, you have to discard the oil and then add the chicken stock. Okay? So the chicken stock is there, and then we just have to bring it to boil, just like that. Now it's boiling, and then now we will add our rice. Okay, and then gently stir it gently so that the rice would not stick at the bottom of the pan. Okay, and then later on we will add the chicken, the previously browned chicken. Yes, okay, so there goes the chicken. Okay, and then bring it to boil and lower the heat to simmering. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now we will add 1 piece of bay leaf there. Then gently stir it and then simmer for about 5 minutes. And then we will have to transfer it into a bigger braising pan or wok. Okay, so there we have transferred it into a bigger braising pan, and then we will add the tomato concasse or the fresh tomato sauce. There goes. So you'll be adding some more. And then we will just have to simmer the chicken until the chicken is tender and the rice is cooked, or until the rice has taken the sauce. Okay, we have to simmer this for another 30 minutes to make sure that the chicken is tender. And then we will add the vegetables, the peppers, the onions, and the okra. Okay, and then we'll just have to stir it gently, of course. Okay, so that's it. Now our stew or gumbo is almost ready. Okay, so later on, we'll just be transferring it to a nice serving dish. For serving, of course. Okay. Okay, now it's done. So we'll just be transferring it to our serving dish. There it goes. So now, okay. Our chicken gumbo, a stew that's thickened with rice. So guys, I guess you have learned how to use rice or grain in thickening a sauce. Just like what we have just made. We use the rice to thicken our stew. For comments and suggestions, feel free to just write it down there so that if I need to make some adjustment or maybe some modifications on my video, I can easily do it. Thank you for watching. See you next video. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.